In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch TurboTax to Spanish and confirm the change. If you prefer to navigate your taxes in Spanish, TurboTax makes it simple, and I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect along the way. Start by looking at the top menu of your TurboTax screen. Up there, you'll see an option labeled Cambiar a Español. This is the language switch. Go ahead and click it. You don't need to adjust any settings elsewhere. This button is designed to handle the switch for you right from the main navigation. Right after you click, a confirmation pop-up will appear. It will say, Cambiar a Español, which simply asks if you want to change the language to Spanish. Take a second to read the message in the pop-up. Don't be surprised if a few parts of the message are still in English. That's normal at this stage. TurboTax shows a brief confirmation in mixed language as it prepares the switch, so you can be sure you're changing the setting you intended. Once you've read the message and you're ready to proceed, click C to continue. This is the confirmation that tells TurboTax to apply the Spanish language across the app. Be sure to click C only once. If your connection is a little slow, it may take a moment to respond, and clicking multiple times isn't necessary. After you click C, wait for the page to reload. This refresh is important because it updates the interface with the new language. Depending on your internet speed and which part of TurboTax you're in, this reload can be quick or take a few seconds. During this time, avoid navigating away or closing the tab since the change is being applied in the background. When the page finishes reloading, TurboTax will switch to Spanish. You'll notice menus, buttons, prompts, and on-screen guidance displayed in Spanish. The overall layout will be the same, so everything remains in a familiar place. You're just seeing it in your preferred language. If you were in the middle of a section before switching, you can keep going right where you left off, now with Spanish labels and instructions to guide you. That's all there is to it. Click Cambiar a Español, confirm by selecting C, wait for the reload, and your TurboTax experience will be in Spanish. If you ever need to revisit this setting, you'll use the same menu area at the top. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your tax prep more comfortable and clear.